If you are looking to make money on Instagram using your account, stay tuned because in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you tips on how to do that. So if you're about that, then definitely this video is for you. So in today's video, I am going to share with you practical steps that you can take in order to succeed on Instagram. So if you are about that, please stay tuned and let's go on ahead and get into the video.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. My name is Tumi Peel, and I am so excited to have you here. On this channel, we're going to be talking everything about life, business, and growth because I am here for it, honey. So as I mentioned, I will be sharing practical tips for you to start making moolah on Instagram. But before we get into the tips, I just want to remind you that nothing works until you do. So when you watch this video, take some notes. You're here for a reason, right? So take some notes, then go and apply what you have learned into this video to your business. Don't just consume videos, tens and thousands of videos, but you haven't done anything or you're not doing anything about it. So after saying that, let's get started with today's video. And let's get started with the tips. So tip number 1. Set up your social media accounts correctly and make sure that all the information is filled in. So the information that you need to include on all the platforms include your contact details. How can people get in touch with you? It includes the products that you sell. It includes whether you ship countrywide and what shipping method you use. You use Aramex, Postnet, what? And you also need to let people know how long it takes to actually make the product and be done with it and send them the products. So you need to make sure that your Facebook is actually a business page and not a Facebook group, because those two are very different. You can't advertise in a group, but you can advertise on a business page. On Instagram, you need to set up your account as a business account so that you can get the insights. The business insights that you need when you have set it up correctly is how many people are following you, how are they, like where do they come from, and all of that information, what time are they online. Now we are on to tip number 2, and my tip number 2 is that you need to get the right audience onto your Instagram. Let's be honest. I'm going to be honest and frank here, and if you're offended, please understand. If you are posing half naked, like hoping to get more followers and then later on to try and work with brands, that is not going to work. You will get hundreds and thousands of followers, but most of your followers will be thirsty men. And unless the brand you want to work with is selling sex toys for men, then you really need to think about the kind of image that you are putting out and you are portraying on social media for the brands that you want to work with. If you can show yourself being a mom in order to work with Vaseline, for example. But yeah, you need to really think about the pictures that you post online and what message you're putting out there. Don't just post for, to get followers, because brands actually do check your type of followers and also the interaction. If the guys are just commenting there all the time about, "Ooh, you look hot," and things like that, the brands are not going to want to work with, like I said, unless there are sex toys or things like that. Then you can, go ahead and post your ass hanging out, honey, okay? Do you? But always think about, who am I eventually looking to work with? Is it SMAG? Is it Woolworths? Is it, companies that, a lot more companies that you might get, because there isn't a lot of sex toy companies, at least in South Africa, that are even allowed to share their content on social media without their accounts being blocked as they are explicit. So think about the posts you share instead of just thinking about, getting the next 10,000 followers of Thirsty Man. Tip number 3, you can create sponsored posts for brands. So this falls into the other thing where I said you need to get the right audience, and then you can start working with brands. So you can actually approach the brands and send them a message and ask them to work with you. But there are actually a number of influencer agencies that can take you on board and work with you, because they already have the people that, the brands, they already have the companies that they want to work with on social media. So you can definitely become part of the agency. Agencies probably take a certain percentage, so you'll be under them. It's like a modeling agency and such, and then they take a small percentage. So there's definitely pros and cons to both working with a brand or working by yourself. Like I said, if you're working with an organization for influencers, they already have the people on the books that will pay you, so they will just pick and choose. But if you are by yourself, it might not be easy to get to the right person in that company, because in most cases when you're sending a message to somebody, these companies are big. It's not like me where I have a small business and I attend to my inbox. They have somebody who handles their social media, and that person might not feel you, and then they just decide, you're not for us, no, without actually giving you a chance. So think about it, weigh the pros and cons, and then definitely look into that to joining an agency. So tip number 4, or idea number 4, is for you to become an affiliate. I'm sure you've heard of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing just means that you make a commission selling other people's products or services on your website. So you can, for example, start a t-shirt brand, but somebody else if you've seen on if you go to people's YouTube channels and then you see the video, people will have links, and then they're like, if you want to buy this camera from Amazon, then you can click on the link and get 10% off your purchase using my code. So basically that's affiliate marketing. So you sell something on somebody else's behalf and you get a certain percentage. You don't own the product, you don't own the services, you just let people know that this is what is on offer. So this could be like a software that you use. It could be like a clothing brand like Shine in Them. It can be like other services. For example, you can become an affiliate for GoDaddy. I actually saw this on their website that you can become an affiliate. I use GoDaddy for my website. So because I use them, I can actually become an affiliate. You have to apply on their website. And after applying to become an affiliate, then I will have my own code that I can say to you guys, use this code in order to get 5% or 10% depending on what the agreement was with the customer. There are websites that show which companies actually do affiliate marketing, whether in South Africa or overseas, like Amazon does that. I know that. You can actually Google these companies, but for you, I'm going to link the websites in the comments or in the bio, or in the description rather, not in the bio. In the description below, I will list the websites that you can visit to see which companies are part of the affiliate programs that you can become a part of. So check that out in my description. Idea number 5 is to sell your products or services and then create contests, run contests and giveaways on your website. So you can organize contests and ask people to join freebies, like to give away, to join, and then you can give them freebies. and then you can possibly give them money if you have some money. And like you can put it like this. I'm sure you've seen this ads on your Instagram where people say you must like to win. This is obviously to get more people and to actually sell your products. Like this page to win, or like this post to win. Here I use it. The users will be required to post or to enter the content, to enter the contest. They must like that post. Then they must like and follow where they should. Obviously then follow the page, and then you check that the winner actually follows your page and they liked it, and then the third way, it could be where you ask them to tag. Either they tag you or they use a certain hashtag that the competition has. And also they can tag their friends in the comments. So you can ask them tag 3 friends or tag as many friends as you would like in order to win the competition. So that way, that actually gets you gets your page to be exposed more and seen by other people. So when somebody says, like for example, you can even tell people to mention your page in the stories, in their stories, so their people are gonna see it. And stories is actually quite a good idea because a lot of people, I've seen it on my Instagram, many people actually don't see your post, but a lot more people actually see your stories, and that's where you should be selling your products. So you can tell the people, share in your stories and tag us in order to stand a chance to win. And then tag their friends and all of that. So get your page out there and seen. Let's move on to the next one. The next idea, which is the 6th one, is to start drop shipping. You've heard about it. And also then when you drop ship, you advertise on your Instagram. So with drop shipping, you don't need to have the inventory or the merchandise. You don't have to have the t-shirts, the cups, the whatever. All you have to do is you have to advertise. So if you drop ship, say maybe you're drop shipping from me, I have the products, then you advertise the products on your page as if you are the one who's selling the product. Say maybe I sell the cups for 20 rands, then you advertise on your page to say you're selling the cups for 30 rands. And then when the person orders from you, then you order from me, and then I deal with the shipment. So you will have to pay me for the shipment, because now that person paid you with the shipment included for me to ship, and then you take that 100 rand, and then I take the 200 rand, for example, if the thing is 300 rand. So this way you don't have to worry about storage, products, whatever, shipping, anything. You just basically sell and get some money. So that is definitely something that you need to look into. If there's another idea that you have seen that works on Instagram, then definitely let me know in the comments, and let's share in the community. We need to grow our community. We need to grow our businesses all together. So that is it for me for today. If you have a business that you have started and you are struggling to market, to get customers and things like that on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on LinkedIn, I also do LinkedIn, then definitely get to my Instagram page. I'm going to put it in the comments and in the description. Get to the page, say hi, I'm from YouTube, and I will check out your business and just give you tips, hints, and some will be for free, some will be paid, because I'm a professional here. Okay, I have studied this and I'm busy studying it, so I'm helping you from a professional point of view, point of experience. And I also have businesses, 2-3 businesses now that I am running, and I'm excited about it. So check out my Instagram page, say hi there, and please do subscribe so that I can continue making more videos for you guys. And also just comment below what you struggle with so that I can help you and we can all help you, and I can create content around what you struggle with so I can address it. So yes, I am looking forward to seeing you again, and until next time, le shala gabotse, re tla bonana. Kamuso.